In this episode of Seeing Sights, we visit a dedicated Ramsar site in Hong Kong, the Maipo Marshes, known for being a haven for migratory birds, as well as a sanctuary for various kinds of wildlife.
Why we say it's a big threat to the freshwater habitats in Hong Kong is because they really like to eat the roots and the stem of the vegetation. So this makes a lot of the original species from Hong Kong get eaten. 呢度其實係一個好 complex 嘅 wetland 嚟嘅，係啦，咁所以你見到有幾個禽爬物啊。
You think we will see a lot of birds today?
I don't know. I'm hoping so. So that's Thomas and Barry. They're going to take us into the different marshes and into the different areas. He's saying the further out we go towards the bay, we're going to see more. However, because of the time and the hike it takes out to get there, we might not go very far. We're still going to see a lot of great stuff in the marshes. Hopefully, but it's nature, right? So you never really know. So we'll find out.
Yeah, see our luck.
We'll see our luck.
First, we head over to the Education Center to learn more about this place, its functions, and about its history.
Oh, hey!
Nice to meet you. I'm Beyond. Yes.
Thanks for doing this. Should we go outside?
Yes, of course.
Maipo is in fact a very important treasure in Hong Kong, I would say, because in the world you can't really find such a small place with such a large number of birds. Average we will have about 50,000 water birds here during the winter time.
係啦，咁啊大家彩數咁樣咯。係啦，咁或者有啲比較得意都可能喺市區係比較少見咯，可能啲 kingfisher 嗰啲係啦。咁我哋今日人少咁，所以咧比較大機會會見到。
In about 1982, WWF Hong Kong suggested to the government, how about setting up a nature reserve in Maipo? And after that, the government seems to accept this idea, and that's why in 1983 we started this kind of habitat management and also environmental education work here. People have to come here because, for example, that is something called the Ramsar site. Ramsar site means wetlands of international importance. In the whole China, there are only 49, and Maipo is one of them. And Hong Kong is so small that we still have one Ramsar site. So it's really worth coming to know more about this site.
And what makes it even more culturally interesting for Hong Kongers is the fact that the structures that are here are gaiwei.
Yes.
Which is just such a Hong Kong thing, right?
Yeah.
Traditionally for shrimps, been repurposed, keeping a lot of the original structures in terms of, managing the water gates,
Yes.
right? Keeping the water the right level of salination, things like that.
Yeah.
So I agree with you on that. I think that is definitely really important.
Yes, through the conservation work of migratory water birds, it broadened my horizon because in the past, many people may only think about the conservation of Maipo, but migratory water birds link to Maipo with other sites in the whole flyway. And it makes me think that, in fact, conservation should have no border.
So now we are in one bird hide. You can see not only birds but also some fishes.
Yeah,
This is quite big.
Should we also
Just sit down and just have a look.
So maybe you can sit over there.
So there's more roomy.
if one of the sites is destroyed, we don't know whether the birds will be able to come to Hong Kong anymore. So I think it's very important to think about conservation in a regional or global way instead of just think of one site.
It was genuinely a treat to watch these seasonal visitors grace our city and watch them enjoy the bounty of the brackish waters that are carefully maintained by the staff of the Worldwide Fund for Nature. Let's hope that this place continues to thrive.